Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you abstract over rainbow nails step by step guide. A colorful rainbow shows through this fun abstract pattern. Let's talk to step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a white nail polish. Step number 2. Using a nail art brush and a red nail polish paint. Paint a line starting at the edge of your nails. Let's move to step number 3. Continue to add lines to nail color like orange, yellow, green, blue and purple to complete the rainbow. Step number 4. Remove all the extra nail polish if you paint your skin with nail remover or thinner as well. Step number 4. Using a nail art brush and a black nail polish, draw straight lines randomly like green line, yellow line, orange line, which color you like. Draw the line randomly across your nails. Step number 5. 6. Step number 6, we apply a top coat to your nails, and finally to seal in the design. Here you go, ladies and gentlemen, your design is ready. Please show your design with your friends, family members and in school and colleges as well. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.